Assistant Chief Chumani Sublocation. Thank you, sir.
I'm Humphrey Kalama Chilyalia, Assistant Chief Masanjeni Sublocation. Thank you, sir.
Sir, naitwa Nzai Katana Kombe, Assistant Chief Majoni Mtondia Sublocation.
Naitwa Lucy Pato Shume, Assistant Chief Uyombo Sublocation.
Mimi naitwa Augustus Kiti, Senior Assistant Chief Ngerenya Sublocation. Thank you, sir.
Kwa majina naitwa Masudi Abdalla, mimi ni Assistant Chief wa Sokoni Sublocation. Thank you, sir.
Naitwa Jumaye Alson, mimi ni Chief wa Karacha.
Roslyn Duria Mwandoro, Assistant Chief Masangoni Sublocation. Thank you, sir.
Naitwa James Mbaga, Assistant Chief Wesa Sublocation. Thank you, sir.
Nami naitwa Pauline Chinyevu Mwamuye, Assistant Chief Roka Sublocation.
Naitwa Eunice Menza, Assistant Chief Mnarani Sublocation. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I'm Sarah Zawadi, Assistant Chief Aizamo Sublocation. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I'm Wanyanje Justus, Assistant Chief Ojora Sublocation. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I'm James Ngari Kombe, Assistant Chief Mkongani Sublocation. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I'm Bispa Neema Wanje, Assistant Chief Hospital Sublocation.
Sir, Sabinzai Julius, Chief Zowerani.
Sir, I am Dixon Mzungu Kitole, Chief Kilifi Township Location. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I'm George Katana, Chief Tezo Location, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I'm Lawrence Mike Atoya, Chief Roka Location.
Sir, I'm John Munga, Chief Matsangoli.
Sir, I'm Tekla Chai, Senior Chief 1, Ngerenya Location.
Sir, I'm Mercy Kavoi, Assistant County Commissioner, Matsangoni Division.
Thank you, sir. I am Kezia Njoroge, Assistant County Commissioner, Bahari Division. Thank you, sir.